Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to insert a table in Google Docs step by step. Tables are great for organizing data, schedules, and lists. First, open the Google Docs file where you want to add a table and scroll to the right spot. Click the Insert menu at the top, then select Table. Hover over the grid to choose the number of rows and columns and click to insert. Click inside the table cells and start typing your data. Use the Tab key to move quickly to the next cell. You can format the table using the toolbar or right-click menu, change border colors, background colors, or adjust column widths. To add or delete rows and columns, right-click and choose the appropriate option. Resize the table by dragging borders so it looks neat and professional. And yeah, that's how to insert and customize a table in Google Docs in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.